Out the door with Gizmo trotting. Fields are calling, birds are plotting. Lower Beeding's path we're taking. Sunrise glow as dawn is waking. Gizmo running free and wild. West Sussex hillside like a child. Every step is pure delight. Walking through the morning light. Warning lights lane so quaint and bright. Glimmers in the hedgerow sparrows. Nature's symphony around us. Brush of wind and leaves surround us. Gizmo running free and wild. West Sussex hillside like a child. Every step is pure delight. Walking through the morning light. Whispers of the trees are singing. Joy in every moment bringing. Footpaths winding like a story. Brittle ways in all their glory.
Wobbly wibbly.
Gizmo leads me through the meadows, dancing light in morning shadows. Lower Beeding's charm is endless. With my dog, I'm never friendless. Gizmo's on a leash and ready for a cruise. Footpaths winding through the morning dew. Lower Beeding's fields stretching far and wide. In this tranquil scene we take our stride. Brittle way so calm, not a soul in sight. Warning lids charm in the soft daylight. Flying my drone high, catching every view. Gizmo by my side, skies painted blue. Oh, the journeys we take through this countryside. Footsteps and paw prints where dreams collide. With Gizmo by my side and my drone on high. Every path we walk feels like we can fly. Streams trickle by, singing nature's tune. Through the meadows where the wildflowers bloom. Gizmo's chasing shadows under open skies. Every step we take is a sweet surprise. Oh, the journeys we take through this countryside. Footsteps and paw prints where dreams collide. With Gizmo by my side and my drone on high. Every path we walk feels like we can fly. Old oak trees whisper secrets in the breeze. Timeless tales from ages in the leaves. Onward we wander where the lanes turn and bend. With Gizmo's wagging tail there's no end. from ages in the leaves. Onward we wander where the lanes turn and bend. With Gizmo's wagging tail there's no end. Walking Gizmo down the paths we tread, footprints marking stories that we've bled. Lower beeding whispers secrets to the wind, warning lead where our adventures begin. Gizmo's paws in sync with my stride, on bridle ways with nowhere to hide. Flying drones high in the open air, capturing moments we both shared. Gizmo's got that twinkle in his eye as we wander under the open sky. Footpaths winding, lower beating south. Gizmo jogs with tongue hanging out. Fields stretch wide under skies so clear. Country paths where we disappear. Warny gill trees whisper our names. Gizmo leads with his offbeat games. Villages quaint as we stroll through. Every turn brings a scenic view. With Gizmo in stride and fields so wide, worries melt like morning dew. Brutal ways and paths are simple guide. Every step feels fresh and new. Where the scents are sweet, Gizmo's paws land in time with beat. Buttercups nod in gentle breeze. Nature's song lulls us both at ease. Sun melts gold as the day grows late. Gizmo's eyes gleam tales to relate. Each new scent a delightful cue. Worlds anew, painted green and blue. With Gizmo in stride and fields so wide. West Sussex Trail, we wander free. Just you and me, so joyously. Hedges high and fields so green, hidden trails that paint a scene. Villages with timeless charm. Gizmo by my side, no harm. Every path a new adventure. Every step just feels so pure. Lower beating, warning wall. In your pathways, love is hid. Oh, Gizmo, let's stroll together. Sunshine or in rainy weather. West Sussex Trail, we wander free. Just you and me, so so joyously. Strolling past the big old oaks and hedges thick with leaves, Gizmo sniffs the morning air as sunlight weaves and weaves. Pause on paths of worn-out stone, a map of ancient days. Lower Beeding whispers secrets in mysterious ways. Footpaths and bridle ways,